As a bite of cake enters the body, it brings a surge of sugars and refined carbohydrates, fuel designed for quick energy. The journey continues into the stomach, where digestive enzymes begin breaking down the soft, sugar-rich layers. In the intestines, cake is rapidly converted into glucose. These sugar molecules pass quickly into the bloodstream. Glucose spreads through the body at speed, delivering a fast but short-lived burst of energy to vital organs. In the brain, this sudden influx triggers intense neural activity, creating a temporary feeling of alertness and excitement. Muscles receive this rapid fuel, briefly increasing performance and responsiveness. But this surge comes at a cost. Blood sugar levels rise quickly, challenging the body's ability to maintain balance. As quickly as it rises, the energy begins to fall. The body experiences a drop,